authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: all of Texas, all of Oklahoma, all of Louisiana, all of New Mexico, until further notice. Message from TFTV 13. This is a region-wide emergency notification at the request of the Federal Communications Commission. Due to a sudden power spike within grids, the Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Louisiana statewide power grids are temporarily offline. The time of return is currently unknown. Repeat, due to a power spike within grids, the Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Louisiana statewide power grids are temporarily offline. Thank you for your understanding.